Right now, at this very moment. Somewhere near you. A decision is being made. Not by a human being. By a system that most people on this planet have never heard of. The water coming out of your tap. An automation engineer designed that entire system. Your car. Built by machines that an automation engineer programmed. The electricity keeping your lights on right now. Managed by systems that an automation engineer built. They are everywhere around us. And almost nobody knows their name. This is the automation engineer. The profession that quietly runs the world. So what exactly is an automation engineer? Here is the simplest way to think about it. Imagine a massive bottling factory. Thousands of bottles moving through the line. Every single hour. Filling. Capping. Labeling. Quality checking. Packaging. Every single step of that entire process, every valve, every sensor, every conveyor belt, has to be told exactly what to do. When to start. When to stop. What to do if something goes wrong. That is the automation engineer's job. They are the people who teach machines how to think. More specifically, an automation engineer designs, programs, and maintains the control systems that make industrial machines work. They work with PLCs, programmable logic controllers. With SCADA systems that monitor entire factories. From a single screen. With HMIs, the interfaces that let operators communicate with machines. If a factory is a body, the automation engineer builds the nervous system. But what does an automation engineer actually do? On a Monday morning? Let me give you a real example. It is 6:47 in the morning. A pharmaceutical factory producing insulin has just reported an alarm. One of the sterilization chambers is not reaching the required temperature. The batch inside, worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, is at risk. The automation engineer receives the alert on their phone. They open their laptop. They connect remotely to the SCADA system, the monitoring platform that shows every single sensor reading in the factory, in real time. Within minutes, they have identified the problem. A temperature sensor fault. A faulty PLC input card. They isolate the affected system. They reroute the process through a backup channel. They call the maintenance team with exact instructions. By 7:30 in the morning, the batch is saved. The factory never stopped. That is what an automation engineer does. They are the people factories call when everything is about to go wrong. But day to day, they write code. They test systems. They commission new production lines. They work with mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and software teams to bring entire factories to life. One week they might be programming a robotic welding cell in a car plant. The next week, designing a water treatment control system for a city of 2 million people. No 2 days are the same. Now, what tools does an automation engineer actually use? The first and most important, the PLC. The programmable logic controller. If you have watched our previous videos, you already know this device. But for automation engineers, it is not history. It is their daily language. They program PLCs using ladder logic, the visual programming language designed for factory technicians back in 1968. 50 years later, it is still the most widely used industrial programming language on Earth. The second tool, SCADA. Supervisory control and data acquisition. Imagine being able to see every sensor, every valve, every motor in an entire factory, on a single screen. In real time. That is SCADA. Automation engineers build these systems. They design what operators see. They decide what triggers an alarm. They create the digital nervous system of the entire factory. The third tool, HMI. Human-machine interface. The touchscreen panels on the factory floor, where operators interact with machines. Automation engineers design these interfaces, making them simple enough for any operator to use, powerful enough to control millions worth of equipment. PLC, SCADA, HMI. These three tools are the foundation of everything an automation engineer touches. So how do you actually become an automation engineer? The honest answer, there is more than one path. The most common route is a degree in electrical engineering, mechatronics, or control systems engineering. These programs give you the foundation. Circuit theory, control systems, programming fundamentals. But here is something most career guides will not tell you. Many of the best automation engineers in the world started as electricians, or technicians, or mechanical engineers who crossed over. Because automation engineering is fundamentally a practical discipline, the engineer who can read a wiring diagram, trace a fault through a panel, and write a PLC program from scratch, is worth far more than someone who only understands the theory. Certifications matter in this field. Siemens, Rockwell Allen Bradley, Mitsubishi. The major PLC manufacturers all offer training programs and certifications. These credentials are recognized globally, and can open doors in factories across every continent. And perhaps most importantly, get your hands on the tools. Siemens offers free versions of their TI Portal software. Allen Bradley has Studio 5000. You can begin programming PLCs today, on your own computer, without ever setting foot in a factory. The profession rewards people who figure things out. Start there. Now, let's talk about demand. Every factory on Earth needs automation engineers. Every water treatment plant. Every power station. Every pharmaceutical facility. Every food processing line. And here is what makes this profession different from most others. Automation is not replacing automation engineers. It is creating more of them. Every new automated system needs someone to design it, someone to program it, someone to maintain it. As factories become smarter, as industries digitize, the demand for people who understand these systems is growing faster than universities can produce them. This is not a profession at risk of disappearing. It is a profession at risk of not having enough people to fill the roles. The world needs more automation engineers. The question is whether you will be one of them. Every time you turn on a tap, drive a car, take a medicine, flip a light switch, an automation engineer made that possible. They are the invisible architects of the modern world. The people who taught machines to think, so that civilization could run, without thinking about it. That is the automation engineer. And now, you know their name. This is the Profession Archive, where the professions that run the world finally get the story they deserve. If this gave you something to think about, subscribe. Because next time, we go inside another profession that changed everything, and you probably don't know its name either.